Good day to you, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this one we will be looking at our currency pair for this week. The first one that I have here is the US dollar index, and this is about how it goes. Is our prediction for this one is that it will be bullish about this week. You can see it on the weekly time frame. Our price is an uptrend which already come down, which is come down, goes up, it has come down now, which is about to push up to break this line. But before it breaks up, it will first of all, we know it will take a couple of weeks or months before we actually have a full breakout. So now you can see that now on this week, now we will be aiming to our pair as a bullish, which will be bullish this week. You can see it on our daily time frame here. We can see that this also key areas of level, and we can see this place, our last candle, which is a bearish one, which is coming down, which probably might come down to touch this our area before actually pushing up to this area. So this is exactly what we'll be predicting on our US dollar index, which means our price will come down a little bit, then come down. Let us sit on 4 hour time frame. You can see that it is still downward until we can see a little bit of break of structure on our 1 hour time frame, or probably when our price comes to this area here, then we will be taking our buy position. We will be seeing it when there's some break of structure on our 1 hour time frame upward. That's when we will be taking our buy. So another one that I have here is our Euro USD. We can see that throughout the last week, we can see that we have a very bearish momentum where that Euro went down rapidly, and now it has come up to consolidate, pull back. We now have a pullback. So on this, our prediction is that our euro will also fall again this week. Whereby testing previous area, whereby testing our previous area before we can actually see a push up. But before that, we will actually see a fall on our euro dollar. This is exactly how we should be watching it. This is exactly, but before that, we will see our 1 hour time frame to see if there's a multiple break of structure, a little bit multiple break of structure, or maybe probably when our price comes down, then then we will be taking our sell position downwards. That is exactly what we'll be aiming for our euro dollar. Same way with our pound, we will be actually seeing a little bit of fall come down to this area before we actually take a buy, or probably we would be actually having a little bit of fall around this key area here, then we will take our buy here. But before that, the reason why I'm not really sure about this one is that the US dollar is still about some prediction, which means there's still bullish momentum to be made up. So we have to buy on our USD. Is about to go up. So this pound is either it will fall a little bit or fall down rapidly before we actually take our buy. The next one we have here is our USDJPY. As you can see it on our daily time frame here, you can see our head and shoulder pattern. You can see our shoulder here. You can also see our head. You can see that price is already rejected here, which means our price on our USDJPY will actually fall to this key area here before, or it will fall to this key area here before we can actually take a buy, or it will actually fall to this area here. So basically, our USDJPY for this week will actually be going down. Same way as our prediction. This was the one that I predicted about last week. If you watched the video about USDCAD, that our USD will fall, which it has actually fallen. So basically, we should be looking for a buy here. Probably when the price will come down here a little bit, or it will start from here, it will push up. But we will be waiting. We will check on our 1 hour when there's a multiple break of structure. We can see it is still bearish, no change of structure, no break of structure. When we actually have like multiple break of structure, then we can actually take a buy to our highest level there. That is exactly what we will be seeing. So basically, our USD card will come back down a little bit to retest this our area here before we actually take a buy to our position here. Same way with our odd will actually move up a little bit before actually falling. So our odd for this week is that it will be bearish, but before that, we also see that there will be some rejection here, which means that our prediction is that our odd will fall against our USD. Same way with our pound is that our prediction is that our pound New Zealand USD will go push up a little bit before you actually have a fall. That is exactly what we'll be having. And lastly, our pound is that our pound JPY is that our JPY is actually strong. So because of that, we will be having a fall on our JPY, whereby there will be some rejection here. We'll be having a fall here or a little push up before we finally have a push down on our pound JPY. That is our analysis for this week. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like.